Okay, so I'm gonna try to assemble this back. Well, so we're gonna be dealing with 7 T8 screws holding the metal frame onto the front plastic frame. 3 T8 screws with little springs holding the LCD mounted onto the black frame also. And 4 T9 screws wherever you have a metal thread. 2 T9s holding the back of the frame onto the front of the frame, and 2 T9s holding the board onto the frame, the metal frame. We're gonna have 4 connectors total, 2 for the buttons up front, that's the black connectors, 1 for the back of the LCD, the backlight, and 1 for the volume dial. Make sure you twist the ribbon to the bottom of the unit, otherwise we're gonna have troubles later. Okay? This will make life much easier. I have the screen loose. Go in with that. Okay. Get this side in. The screen is across. Make sure it's not getting scratched. So now let's go find out about the other side. It looks like this is the locking mechanism. The quarter turn that we did with the torque stand. So I gotta find out how this and that connects. Shouldn't be hard. So I just pushed it in, it snapped in. Great. Let's keep going. So the chassis is on. Okay. Chassis is on. I guess we do the 2 cables here. Connect here, the 2 black cables. I just connected this white pin that holds the screen upright. I just clicked it in. Okay, so here, make sure the black ribbon is under the volume. This is the volume. This is the black ribbon. Okay, I can connect volume if I want now. And I'm connecting the black ribbon here. Not the ribbon, black connector. There we go. Don't force it in the wrong place, make sure it's right. This is some very important information. I found out the hard way that it's better to screw the screen onto the black front right now before you assemble the metal frame onto the black front. Don't make my mistake. Make it better and make it easier on yourself. Okay, bottom is good. Top is not right yet. Okay, I got it in place. Okay, so I just went there and I tested it again and it works fine. And I'm gonna finish assembling. Okay, Torx T9 here. 1, 2, the other 2 T9s go here.
Gonna make pasta.
No. After so much time, I'm tired of it. Make your hot dog, people.
Now we do the 3 on the screen. T8. Okay, so I got the 3 screen springs and screws in. It's very hard. Maybe it was better to do that before we had this metal plate. The 4 Torx 9 here, 1, 2, and then the board here, 3 and 4. And now I guess we just close the top and bottom. Oh. So this rubber here keeps this contact from falling. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna glue it back just in case. Top lid. There we go. It's basically done. I'm just gonna put back these other screws here around. I think it's 8. Don't tighten too much because it's a plastic housing. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, time to go install. Work is done. So here's the old ribbon. Garbage. The old tape. And that's all that was done. Okay, so here it is. Radio's back. Yeah, Everything works. Cool. There we go. Mission accomplished.